Familiarize yourself with the 2015 Mazda CX-5. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Mazda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.